team member of Facts, here to guide you for the licensure requirement for Texas state. To get licensed in Texas, here's what you need. Initially, you have to go for the ECR review, and the board-approved licensing agencies are IERF, FCCPT, and ICT. The applicants by examination must require the coursework tool that is most recent, coursework tool 6. However, the applicants with endorsement may use the coursework tool that align with their year of graduation. The applicants are required to take TOEFL. The board also accepts my best score if it takes multiple time for the applicant to meet the board specific requirement. The state requires all the applicants to pass Jurisprudence Exam. However, supervised clinical practice is not required. Here's a fun fact: certain states may allow the exception and modification to these requirements, which is based on your qualification and experience. If you need a personalized guidance for licensure, let us help you navigate the process smoothly. Thank you for trusting Facts as your partner in achieving your physical therapy licensure goal in US.